Sit, Disco. Sit. High five. Go. Lie down. Lie down. Good boy.
করে দেখ
Stand. Ole babale. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. Good boy, good boy. Ole babale. Hello everyone. This is Disco. Disco, say hi, say hi. Disco is our 1.5-year-old golden retriever male puppy. He's still a puppy, okay? He might look grown up, but he's still my little baby boy. So Disco, as you just saw, is a very good boy, and he's also adorable. He loves to cuddle, and he loves treats, and he loves playing with other doggos. But he has been feeling a little lonely lately because he doesn't have many friends. So we thought that it would be nice if we get him a little puppy friend with whom he can play and cuddle and do all the doggy things. So tomorrow we will be getting Disco a little friend, but not just a friend, maybe like a girlfriend. And we are going to be going to Shantiniketan to get him his friend, and then we will see how they interact. Disco is not interested in the video anymore, so it's just me. Let's just go to tomorrow. So today is D-Day. Literally. Noisy neighbors, huh? Hello everyone, this is Diya. Welcome back to my channel. So as many of you may know, I like to post videos about things that make me happy. So today I'm sharing with you guys a vlog about a day that was especially happy for me. Watch the whole video to find out why. Today is D-Day. Literally, it's doggy day. It's the day that we get a little puppy friend for Disco, and I am so beyond excited. We are all ready and we have had our lunch. So Disco is also getting ready. He's brushing his teeth. After all, he's going to meet with his girlfriend. So he wants to make sure that when he greets her, he has a sparkling, perfect, pearly smile when they first meet. Now we'll be going to pick the puppy up, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Let's go. This is Disco. Disco and fam have started their 1.5-hour journey to Bashli's kennel in Bolpur. And the road is truly beautiful with greenery all around and a cool cloudy sky. And we are really happy. So everything around us seems even more beautiful.
You don't know anything. Stupid boy.
We have reached Bolpur. You can see the buildings of Vishwabharati University, and our excitement is building up as we are just about to reach the destination. I love pets, and I'm honestly so happy that my parents allowed me to keep a second one. And those who love pets just like me and want to get one too, but aren't sure whether you'll be able to manage it, well, I plan to make a video for you guys where I'll discuss all that is necessary to maintain a pet, how much time you need to spend, and what all things you need to buy, and so on. And Disco, give us your reaction. Okay, he just chose to ignore. He doesn't know what's up. Oh my god, the lighting here is খুবই ভালো এখানে লাইটটা golden light আসছে কি সুন্দর. Disco, come here. Come soak yourself in the golden sun. No? We are very close. My heart is beating very fast. I'm so excited. Oh my god, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? I have no idea. The most important thing is how Disco is going to react. I am very excited to see his reaction. Taina Disco, you probably will be very excited at first to see her, but then he'll be like, oh my god, they're bringing her home. We are here at Bashli's kennel, and as you can see, Disco is really excited because this is one of our favorite destinations. We come here all the time to play with all the animals here. I am friends with all of them, and every time we are here, they greet us with loud barks and shouts and jumps and wagging tails. Just see what kind of chaos it is inside the kennel as we enter. This lovely man is Bashli uncle. He is doing a great job taking care of all these dogs. Look at these two adorable golden retrievers. Very friendly. All of them are just so friendly and nice. Here are two beagle puppies. And all these golden retrievers look so gorgeous and so fluffy. I just want to squish them all. One of them is actually the mother of the new puppy that we are going to be getting today. This lovely golden retriever, she was really shy. She kept running away as we tried to give her treats. And whoever said Dobermans aren't friendly, look at this lovely lady. She was adorable and she kept poking at me to love her and adore her. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, we are now going to meet our puppy, and we have decided to call her DJ. And there are quite a few reasons why we chose that name. Basically, me and my older brother, both our names start with DI. So obviously our other siblings, that is our puppies, had to have a name that started with DI. And on top of that, we are all music lovers in this family. So we decided to call one of our puppies Disco, and it was only fitting to follow the same theme and call the other one DJ. From the moment I saw her and grabbed her, she was just so friendly and kept gnawing at my t-shirt. And the other one of her brothers, was also gnawing at my bag, as you can see here. If you are interested to know more about Bashli's kennel, then I'll definitely leave a link down below for their social media handles. Now it was time to go home, and as happy a moment as it was for us, it was quite a sad moment for Bashli uncle because he had kept her and taken care of her for 53 days. But don't worry, Bashli uncle, you can come and meet her anytime. This is the moment where Disco met DJ for the first time ever, and right away he started sniffing her and investigating her, but he didn't do anything to hurt her and he was really gentle. And we knew that this is what would happen because Disco is just such a good boy and he loves to socialize and play with other dogs. In fact, he's famous in our locality for his friendly nature, and everybody recognizes our house as the house where Disco the Goldie lives in. Disco was super inquisitive about everything that was happening, and he literally did not leave DJ's side for a single minute throughout the whole journey. Now we are back home, and DJ was a really good girl throughout the journey, even though she did throw up on me a little bit, but that's besides the point. We let the two puppies socialize a little bit before we took DJ for a nice bath, and also took showers ourselves because the pandemic is still on. Every time we go outside, we need to be super careful. So here's them playing and being adorable. Look at the waggy tails. It's just wonderful. So here's our little sea lion taking a bath, and she was surprisingly calm during the whole session because the first time Disco took a bath, he was so reluctant and we had to literally fight with him to give him a bath. If you want to see how his first bath went, you can go to Disco's Instagram account. It's at the rate Disco the Goldie #1 to check that out. I'll put the link in the description box. Now that the sea lion looks like a fluffy puppy again, it was feeding time, and as you can see, we had prepared little color coordinated bowls for them, and actually the yellow one was for Disco and the green one was for DJ, but on the first day we kind of messed up and gave them their food in the wrong bowls. However, let's ignore that and look at how adorable DJ looks and how naughty she is. She's trying to eat Disco's food and ignoring her own food. She was also not the cleanest eater, kept putting her foot inside her bowl, but hey, for each one themselves. ছড়াচ্ছে। Hello sleepyhead. So that was the vlog about how disco stay here. So that was the vlog about how disco met DJ. Hope you guys liked the vlog, and don't worry, we are gonna make sure that these two have a happily ever after. And if you like the vlog, please don't forget to like, share, comment on my video and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos from these two. I'm going to make sure to take you guys on the journey of DJ's growth and how she plays with us and familiarizes herself with us. So stay tuned and watch out for more of videos from Disco and DJ. Disco! Hey! Stay tuned for more videos from Disco and DJ. Bye!